Hi, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. My husband and I are going to a barbecue this evening, and I've been asked to bring an appetizer. So it's hot out. What would you bring? Soup, of course. I'm making chilled broccoli pistachio soup. This soup is light and refreshing and actually very healthy. So let me show you how to make it. You will need half a cup of chopped onions, half a cup of chopped shallots, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of pistachios, 1 medium potato peeled and chopped, a teaspoon of curry powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 4 cups of frozen chopped broccoli, thawed, salt and pepper to taste, and for garnish, Greek-style yogurt and chopped pistachios. Add the oil to a large pot over low heat. Add the shallots, onions, and garlic. Cook and stir until the onions become translucent. Then stir in your pistachios, potatoes, turmeric, and curry powder and continue cooking for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add your broth, increase the heat, and bring it to a boil. Then stir in the broccoli. Season with salt and pepper. Then reduce the heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Do a taste test and adjust your seasoning. After 15 minutes, let the mixture cool slightly, then transfer to a blender and take it for a spin. Then pop it in the fridge until it's completely chilled. The soup is chilled and ready to go. Now here's a little etiquette tip. If you're bringing something to someone's party, you don't want to interrupt the host's flow or give them an extra job. So I'm not going to just bring this and expect her to bust out like shot glasses or bowls and spoons or whatever. I'm going prepared. We're pouring these into little cups. Like so. And then I am just going to garnish them with a tiny bit of Greek yogurt on top of each one. And I have toasted some extra pistachio nuts, ground them up with a little finishing salt. We'll just sprinkle those on top. And that serves 2 functions. It kind of hints at what the flavor is of the food that a person is about to taste. And also, if somebody at the party has a nut allergy, it is a red flag for them. And you always want to make sure if you're bringing something to a party, you make sure people know if it has nuts in it. All right, and I'm leaving one without the yogurt for my husband, the vegan. These look so good. I have the little spoons to go with them. I'm just going to put them in this to carry them, and we're all set. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't be a stranger, become a subscriber, and leave a comment for me. I love to hear from you. Join me again next time, right here at home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching.